Honda EM5000sx Generator, no voltage engine / RPM fine brushes fine tried 12 volts flash directly to brushes, no AC voltage resulted when running AV voltage across brushes equals 46 volts L1 / L2 equals 1.2 volts or 1 / SAR2 equals 1.2 volts L1 / R1, 1.5 volts armature resistance, 63 ohms L1 / L2 resistance, 1.4 ohms R1 / R2 resistance, 1,4 ohms L1 / R1 resistance, 1,8 ohms. Any suggestion is the problem. Thanks.
Hello. My name is XXXXX I am going to assist you with this. When running AV voltage across brushes equals 46 volts, I'm not quite sure what you mean by AV voltage. Have you tested the circuit breakers, to make sure they are on, and that they are good?
Typo equals AV equals AC voltage breakers are fine.
I thought so, but I had to be sure. There is no AC voltage going to the brushes, it is a DC voltage. Please retest it on a DC scale, and let me know what you get. Also, I am assuming you are testing for AC output at one of the receptacles?
Thanks, Hank. DC at brushes, ~60 volts. This unit has an AC power meter, no AC voltage seen on the meter, breaker on, 120 OI 120 240 setting. No AC power detected at plugs 1 to 2 volts AC. Is there a way to check rotor, armature, resistance 63 ohms, or stator? See above for resistance readings. Thanks.
63 ohms on the rotor is good, that is the test for the rotor. The test for the windings is the same, you ohm them out, just like you did. There are 3 distinctively different wiring schemes for the EM5000sx, and I need to know which one you have. Remove the end cover of the generator. Inside, to the right, you will see a 4-screw terminal strip. I need to know the colors of the wires attached to the terminal strip, from top to bottom.
Thanks, Hank. The serial hash XXXXX. The genset is EA71174X. I believe it is stator part hash XXXXX. Color, top to bottom, is yellow, red, green, black. Resistance, yell, red equals 1.4 ohm GRN, blocks equals 1.4 ohm yell, GRN equals 1.8 ohm.
There are 2 wires attached to each terminal. I need to know the colors of all wires.
Color, top to bottom, is connected at each terminal yellow, yellow red, red green, black black green.
Hun, that is a color combination I have never seen, and it is not even shown in any of the manuals. Here is what I need you to do. At that terminal block, remove the wires that lead to the receptacles at the control panel, leave the ones coming from the stator attached. Start the genset, and test the voltage across the yellow and red, then the green and black, then the yellow and green. What voltages do you see here?
Thanks, will do. What does the manual indicate? See attached photo for wire arrangement.
The wires on the left are the ones that go to the receptacles, the ones you need to remove. I can't make out the colors of the wires on the right, but the bottom one on the left sure looks blue to me, which is what the schematics say it should be. Have you tested this yet?
L1 / L2 equals 1.2 volts R1 / SAR2 equals 1.2 volts L1 / R1, 1.5 volts.
If you are only getting 1.2 volts out of the stator when putting 12 VDC directly to the brushes, you either have a rotor and/or a stator issue. Earlier you had stated that you had 63 ohms across the slip rings, which is good. But what I would like you to do is to leave the brush block installed, with the wires removed. Ohm across the brush terminals themselves. If you still get 63 ohms, the problem is most likely a burnt stator. If you get higher than 63 ohms, the problem is likely your brushes or slip rings.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.